No. Then of us, what we'll do there? We need the whole crowd. We have to address a public meeting there.
Public meeting already is in the
MD government!
If the government can
MD government! MD government! MD government! Three cement! Three cement! Three cement!
We from the GNC and JSU, we don't believe in force, we believe in peace. So we request the police department to let us go just in front of the auditorium and we'll have peaceful meeting there.
Yes.
And then we'll go back.
We'll organize meeting there.
Because we want our message to be heard now, sir.
Let's in front of the
Sir, all are in condition from both the NGOs and including the residents of Daistong opposing it. Memorandum have reached every concerned authority. Why they are not responding? We want them to respond.
We have each and every department.
So government, you have to give time to them.
No, sir.
Time has been given.
They can react.
How much time do we give?
But sir, there are so many unlawful cases which is happening. But
I try to explain again.